Inspiration has many sources, and I bring a lot of things from my childhood. I like drawing, I like creating things and then seeing them build. That's something I enjoy since I was a kid. My name is Roberto Gil. My business is Casa Kids. When I started doing furniture, I wasn't doing so much of my own designs because before the web, I didn't know how to reach customers. So I was doing work for architects and interior designers, and it wasn't what I wanted to do. AdWords has completely changed my business. Now, people look for children's furniture, and they find me. And if you're smart picking the words, they're gonna find you quicker. When I started using AdWords, the traffic in my website went up like right away and increased sales by more than 30%. That's like 10 extra bunk beds and a lot more kids enjoying our furniture. Now, I work directly with customers, and I'm giving kids rooms that they enjoy, that they love. And I know how to market my products in a way that you can quantify the results. I know the company will keep growing. It wasn't always easy, but it's important to have aspirations and dreams, and the web has made my dream come true. I feel I'm just starting.